Hey guys, good morning. So welcome to Honor, and we have here for Honor 6X updated a new version of its camera, and all of its performance will be increased when very soon it is going to be updated to OREO. Yes, you heard that right. OREO update will be given to Honor 6X, the phone which has dual camera and costs around 9999 in Indian market, and so it will get OREO update on 5th May. Yes, mark that date, 5th May, or you will get the update. And yes, you will get the update on 5th May 2018. It is confirmed by the CEO of that company, Huawei company. You see that screenshots also. You can see it will be get updated on 5th May 2018. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. So here is the screenshot also. You can see this. Thank you.